How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On today's video, we're gonna find out if the NOCO Genius 2 is capable of charging a dead battery. So here we have the NOCO Genius 2, and here we have a dead battery. So this dead battery is rated at 90 amp hour, and it has 720 cc, which is 720 cold cranking amps. So first, before we charge the battery, we have to test how dead it is. Take out the here. So I'm gonna use my battery tester. It's the Ansel BA101. You put the positive on the positive, the negative on the negative, and we're gonna test it out of the vehicle because the battery is out of the vehicle. And it's a regular flooded battery, so we're gonna select regular flooded. And here we have the cold cranking amps, and we have to put down the value of the battery, so that's 720 cold cranking amps. 720 amps, cold cranking amps. Enter. It's doing a test right now. So this one failed the test. It says replace the battery. So now we have the healthy spec. It says only 43% and the charge is only 25%. And instead of giving us 720 cold cranking amps, this battery is only capable of 525 cold cranking amps. So it's out of spec. And it says here to replace it. But we're gonna find out if we use the NOCO Genius 2 can revive this battery and can be used again. So I'm gonna plug in the NOCO Genius 2 on this battery, and we'll wait for 15 hours, because according to the NOCO Genius 2, it's designed to charge only 40 amp hour battery up to 15 hours. But the battery we're gonna try now to revive is 90 amp hour. It's more than double the capacity what this charger can do. So now we're gonna find out on the test if it can do the job to revive this battery. So we're gonna put the charger on and we're gonna leave it for 15 hours. And we'll see the result. We're gonna do another reading after the 15 hours if the battery will be revived. So I'm gonna exit this one, take out the tester, putting the charger, and then I'm going to plug the NOCO Genius 2 on the wall. Okay, now it's starting to charge. So we will leave it like this. We will come back in 15 hours to find out if we can revive this dead battery. So after 15 hours of charging this dead battery, now we have to find out if the NOCO Genius 2 revive this dead battery. So I'm gonna unplug the power, remove the charger. Now it's time to put the tester again. Okay. Out of the vehicle. Regular flooded. All cranking amps. We need to put in the value of 720 cold cranking amps. Enter. Testing. So now it indicates that it's a good battery, and instead of 720 cold cranking amps, we're only getting 673, and the health value is 71%, and the charge is only 98%. So that means we can revive the battery, but not to the fullest strength or power, which is the 720 cold cranking amps. But it's still a usable battery. It's not something that you can throw away. You can still use this. So I guess that's it. Now we know that the NOCO Genius 2 is capable of charging the battery even though it's not rated for 40 amp hour, since we only this is a 90 amp hour battery, and still capable of charging it. So hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Thank you.